Well, Annie Trevor. Nicey, there's something that I need to get off my chest. When I check the now deleted footage, the day when I slide on the step, the camera pick you up and wash off the steps with soap and water. Not to mention, you lied about my child drowning. What did really happen?
There are a few things I have done in my lifetime that I am not very proud of. And that was one of them. I was only seeking revenge.
So Nicey, I really you did do that? Eh? Okay. I'ma call you and I talk to you about that you behave as if say I know you.
Trevor, it's okay. When I really look on it, I never have no reason to put my hands on her. But nicey, so when it comes to my daughter, we go to the ends of the earth to protect my child.
Our child.
Right. Our child. So I just had to do what I had to do.
I understand. And even though my daughter is not in my life, that's definitely how I would stand up for her.
A daughter?
Yes. One I wish I still had in my life to defend, just as how you're defending your daughter.
Nicey, I'm glad you come talk to me. Because as women, we have to come together. We have to put our differences aside and don't make some man cause we be at war. So thank you.
Thank you so much for understanding and accepting my apology. Let me just formally introduce you to my business partner / all-rounder, Adolphus Franklin. Camille Trevor.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Adolphus, I ask you something. What you know about me?
What you mean by that?
Brother, from me see you, the first time I see you, you just a stare me down and a screw up your face. You know something about me, brother?
Trevor.
No, but every time him see me, I just saw him a behave. Like me and him, me and you know something.
Hazel, you can't do that. Me tell you, say we are come here, come apologize to the people. Me can't be so antisocial at the people in place.
Where you know the man from?
Come here, me tell you something, I don't know the man.
Well, him know you do.
Come here, remember say, I'm a pass.
Nicey, never come for socialize still. Come for protect you. Plus me not trust that brother there.
What is the real reason you have to don't trust Trevor? And you don't know the man?
That you think?
What you mean?
Remember say me do construction, me do me little juggling. Me don't know the man.
And at that me a talk about Trevor. Your past will come back, come haunt you because he know you.
Is there something that you are not telling me?
Nicey, you don't know say Trevor Sullivan that. Me involved in a construction, weed running. Stop being naive. So you never know say a Bugsy that.
Of course, me know. That time passed, me know all of that. So it make you behave so?
You will know the rest when you need to. Just know say right now, me there to protect you, not for socialize.
Hey, something about that brother they were me not like, you know.
Well, you need to figure it out. Go back and think if you did do nothing to him family or what. Because this not look good.
Camille, me nah have time for that, you know. Must me have things to do, you know.
Well, the behavior can't continue. Them they our place, so you have to act civil. So pack it up.
Alright.
Alright, good. Come on. Nicey and Adolphus, can I offer you two something to eat?
Well, I was just thinking it's actually time
I
for
won't be taking no for an answer. What, Trevor? Nice to know I eat the food?
it looks very delicious, but
Hey, baby. Yes, I'm coming down tomorrow. Right, we'll discuss it then. Okay. Mommy loves you. Mwah. Alright. You know you forgot about serious stuff with your daughter though.
What should do now?